to have a nice hot pot. Then we're going to add in our ground beef, which is 2 pounds of ground beef added to the pan. Okay. Now I'm going to add 1/4 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm using fresh cracked black pepper. I'm using fresh cracked black pepper. Do as much as your taste. Now I'm going to stir this until I get this hamburger beat up really nice and fine. As I'm stirring, I'm also smashing at the same time and mixing my ingredients. Constantly stirring it where I can have my hamburger real small, fine pieces. Somewhat like Taco Bell. The more I stir, the smaller my hamburger meat is. The lesser I stir, the more chunky my hamburger meat. The lesser you stir, you want to make that hamburger for chili, perfect for chili. Anything, tacos or any kind of Mexican food, you want to keep constantly stirring. It makes it smaller, makes it better to use. Fine little round pieces of meat like this, real fine. You want to cook this until it's nice and brown, looks like it is done. How you can tell if it's done is it'll start getting browner, the grease will start breaking away from it a lot. What you want to do, you don't want to see any pink or no red into your hamburger. Then you want to take it off the stove and you want to drain it. Okay. Now I am putting my meat back into my pan. And I've turned down my stove to simmer, which I'm going to add my taco seasoning mix, 2 packs. Don't forget, for every pound, you use a pack of seasoning, taco seasoning mix, to 1/2 cup of water. Mix that and let that cook on low until, now I've added the water, and I am still stirring my taco seasoning mix on a medium heat, constantly stirring, letting the water reduce. Okay, I got a nice hot pot with a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I am now laying in my fried tortilla shell that I am going to fry lightly on both sides. Lightly stab it down, and I want to flip it where it's a nice golden brown. Repeating the same process. I am draining my tortilla shell. It should look like this on both sides. Putting it on a dry napkin to reduce the grease.